All right. This is the Hampton Inn. Hampton Inn, Exton. Kind of a funny mod, isn't it? Like that erases any mystery of what this used to be. Capacity 2,500. Thought that was maybe a company, but nope. I guess nobody wants to take credit for this.
Oh, breakfast until 11 p.m. Interesting.
No, breakfast area.
Closes at 11 p.m.
Yeah.
What they're talking about.
Is the seating area.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and there's an old indicator up there. Yeah, it used to be a Westinghouse RT. In case that wasn't evident.
This platform feels like it's an addition.
Yeah. I mean, the thing's almost 40 years old. We're at, what, 87 or something?
88 or 89.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go to the floor.
Feels like it.
Yeah, I think so.
And the fan.
This thing kind of has Fletchy's favorite startup. Let's go one.
It's a shame he couldn't have taken a short drive over here on his emergency trip.
Yeah, I should have taken him, but he had to rush to Willow Grove. And to make it to Tommy's later.
You know, it's a wonder, you know, when you don't really do anything in life, that you still have to rush.
Yeah, very interesting that this received a mod and the controller was not a part of that mod. Because usually controllers are the reason these things get modded. All right, that's it.